Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am tidying in my living room, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today I am tidying in my living room where I have a little surprise hidden inside. I want to thank the wonderful Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting this collaboration together. She works so diligently each and every week. Her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I'm going to link it in my description box below. Also in my description box below, you will find this week's Tiny Tidy playlist. Please click on that playlist for tons of tiny tidying motivation to get all of your cleaning done today. So, with that being said, let's get started tidying in my living room and let's find out what the little surprise is. We get the new furniture delivered tomorrow. This is what the two couches are looking like. The cushions are out in the garage. Let's see. We've got legs off of everything but the very bottom. So these are ready to be moved out in the morning, and the new furniture is ready to be moved back in. Yes, surprise! I am so pleased and excited that I finally have a new sofa and love seat. I wanted one for so long now, but I had to find exactly what I wanted and also save up for what I wanted as well. What I had before was a leather that I had had for years, and it was never really that comfortable, so I wanted to invest in pieces that would bring comfort. So I found this sofa and love seat, and I absolutely love it, and I wanted to share it with you guys kind of as a little surprise. And I also, when I do add new things to a room and I want to kind of eventually redo that room, I do it in small steps because I just don't have the financial means to redo the whole entire room in one day, nor do I want to do that. I like to kind of add a piece here and a piece there and then kind of see what I want to do. And at the end of this video, I will show you guys kind of the plans that I have for this room. But yes, I wanted to give everything that I was putting back a good clean. So that is what my Tiny Tidy is today. So I hope that you enjoy that. I'm just going to put on some music, and then at the end, I'm just going to give you a tour with my new sofa and love seat and tell you about some of the things that I have planned. And if you have any ideas, then feel free to let me know your ideas. I am still debating about whether or not I want to keep this rug. I kind of liked it once I got everything put back, but I'm still not 100% sure, so I would love your input on that. But enjoy this Tiny Tidy Tuesday.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything.
So I just kind of wanted to walk you through and show you the new sofa and love seat. The brand is Kincaid, and it has these nice little tapestry pillows. I was going to put my red pillows on here, but decided that I kind of want to stay with these pillows. So I'm contemplating taking some more of the red away. Currently, I have this clock on this wall. I'm thinking about replacing it with some pictures, but I'm not 100% sure yet. This will probably remain the same. I put my basket of blankets over here. I'm not sure if I'll do anything different or not, if I will decide I want different lamps. I kind of like those lamps. I may want some new shades eventually. And I like how the coffee table looks. I love the way the love seat looks right here. Over here, I have these two chairs. I'm going to look for some different pillows. I just could not find anything that would fit in. These chairs are a different color as well, so I am going to order some that match the sofa and love seat. This TV is actually going to be gone from this wall. And these little things right here, there used to be 3 before the TV, and the TV is a recent addition there. But anyway, these I think I'm going to take down, and I think I'm going to move the clock over here and then put pictures behind the couch area. This area right here is going to become, so basically what we're going to do with this area over here, and it's going to be like a weekend project, is behind this big picture, I have an old TV that is actually built in. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to remove the framing around it and put some sheetrock in, and then we will be able to hang the TV up here. So the TV is actually going to go back up here again. I know it looks a little weird being over to the side like it is right now, but that is the plan that I have. So I wanted to go ahead and arrange the furniture to fit. I hope that I'm still able to decorate my mantle at during the fall season and Christmas season, because I love doing that. But yeah, we will have to see how that turns out. But you know, we'll just take that down and fill in the hole, and that picture will be gone as well. So yes, so that is still to be done. Any additions that I might want to change on the tables or any lampshades or anything like that still needs to be done as well. I'm still not 100% sold on this olive tree. That might get replaced eventually. The clock, I'm thinking about moving to the other side of the wall. My rug, which is red, I honestly don't mind that, so I think it will probably stay. But there is this picture over here that's kind of above the love seat that I think I'm going to get a bigger picture to put in there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you again, Sunday, for putting this collaboration together each and every Tuesday. And I really hope that you guys will check out that playlist. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.
Things complete. Do you know